If you not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button for more videos. AI Teacher *. Hello students. Welcome back to our biology learning series. Today we are going to study Class 11 Biology Chapter 7, Structural Organization in Animals. Student *. Sir, what does structural organization mean? AI Teacher *. Good question. In unicellular organisms, one cell does all the work like digestion, respiration, and reproduction. But in multicellular animals, billions of cells cannot all do the same job. So, cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs form organ systems. Student *. So this is like teamwork inside the body? AI Teacher *. Exactly. This is called division of labor. In this chapter, we will understand how tissues, organs, and organ systems work together. Then we will study frog as an example of a vertebrate animal. Student *. Sir, why frog? AI Teacher *. Because frog shows many important animal systems clearly: digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and reproductive system. Frog is a perfect model to understand animal organization. Number 5. Simple chapter introduction. In unicellular organisms, a single cell performs all life activities. But in multicellular animals, different groups of cells perform different functions. A group of similar cells with intercellular substances performing a specific function is called a tissue. Tissues form organs. Organs form organ systems. Organ systems together form the complete body. Real-life example *. Think of a school. One person cannot be teacher, principal, driver, watchman and office staff at the same time. Different people do different jobs. Similarly, in animals, different cells and organs do different functions. Number 6. Organ and organ system. In multicellular organisms, tissues are arranged to form organs. Organs work together to form organ systems. Example: the heart is an organ. It contains epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and neural tissue. Different organs like heart, blood vessels, and blood together form the circulatory system. Real-life example *. A bus company has buses, drivers, mechanics, and fuel stations. Together they form a transport system. Similarly, heart, blood and blood vessels together form a transport system inside the body. Number 7. Morphology and anatomy. Morphology means the study of external form or visible features. Anatomy means the study of internal organs and internal structure. In this chapter, frog morphology and frog anatomy are studied. Real-life example *. Looking at a mobile phone from outside is like morphology. Opening it and seeing the circuit board, battery, and camera module is like anatomy. Number 8. Frog introduction. Frogs live both on land and in fresh water. So they are called amphibians. They belong to class Amphibia of phylum Chautata. The common Indian frog mentioned in the lesson is Rana tigrana. Important features. * Frog is cold-blooded or poikilothermic. * Body temperature changes according to the environment. * Frog can change color for camouflage. * Frog shows mimicry or protective coloration. * Frog undergoes estivation during extreme summer. * Frog undergoes hibernation during extreme winter. Real-life example *. A frog hiding in green grass becomes less visible to enemies. This is like wearing a uniform that matches the background. Number 9. Frog morphology. The frog's skin is smooth and slippery because of mucus. The skin is always moist. Important points. * Dorsal side is generally olive green with dark irregular spots. * Ventral side is pale yellow. Asterisk frog does not drink water directly. Asterisk it absorbs water through the skin. Asterisk body is divided into head and trunk. Asterisk neck and tail are absent. Asterisk nostrils are present above the mouth. Asterisk eyes are bulged. Asterisk eyes are protected by nictitating membrane in water. Asterisk tympanum acts as ear and receives sound. Asterisk forelimbs and hind limbs help in movement. Asterisk hind limbs are larger and more muscular than forelimbs. Asterisk hind limbs have 5 digits. Asterisk forelimbs have 4 digits. Asterisk feet have webbed digits for swimming. Real life example asterisk. Webbed feet of frog are like swimming flippers. They help frog push water and swim faster. Dash. Number 10. Sexual dimorphism in frog. Male and female frogs show differences. This is called sexual dimorphism. Male frog has asterisk vocal sacs for sound production. Asterisk copulatory pad on first digit of forelimb. Female frog does not have vocal sacs and copulatory pad. Real life example asterisk. In some birds, males have brighter colors than females. That is also sexual dimorphism. Dash. Number 11. Frog anatomy overview. Frog has many well-developed organ systems. Asterisk digestive system. Asterisk respiratory system. Asterisk circulatory system. Asterisk excretory system. Asterisk nervous system. Asterisk endocrine system. Asterisk reproductive system. Dash. Number 12. Digestive system of frog. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal. Asterisk mouth. Asterisk buccal cavity. Asterisk pharynx. Asterisk esophagus. Asterisk stomach. Asterisk intestine. Asterisk rectum. Asterisk cloaca. Digestive glands. Asterisk liver. Asterisk pancreas. Important points. Asterisk frog is carnivorous. Asterisk its intestine is short. Asterisk food is captured by bilobed tongue. Asterisk stomach secretes HCl and gastric juices. Asterisk partially digested food is called chyme. Asterisk chyme moves into duodenum. Asterisk bile is stored in gallbladder. Asterisk pancreatic juice digests carbohydrates and proteins. Asterisk final digestion occurs in intestine. Asterisk villi and microvilli absorb digested food. Asterisk waste passes through rectum and cloaca. Real life example asterisk. Think of digestion like a food processing factory. Mouth collects food, stomach breaks it, intestine absorbs useful nutrients, and cloaca removes waste. Dash. Number 13. Respiratory system of frog. Frog respires in water and on land. In water. Asterisk skin acts as respiratory organ. Asterisk this is called cutaneous respiration. Asterisk oxygen diffuses through moist skin. On land. Asterisk buccal cavity, skin, and lungs help in respiration. Asterisk lung respiration is called pulmonary respiration. Asterisk lungs are elongated pink sac-like structures. During estivation and hibernation. Asterisk gas exchange occurs through skin. Real life example asterisk. A frog's moist skin works like a sponge-like oxygen exchange surface. Dash. Number 14. Circulatory system of frog. Frog has a closed circulatory system. It includes asterisk heart. Asterisk blood vessels. Asterisk blood. Frog also has lymphatic system. Asterisk lymph. Asterisk lymph channels. Asterisk lymph nodes. Heart. Asterisk muscular organ. Asterisk located in upper body cavity. Asterisk 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Asterisk covered by pericardium. Asterisk sinus venosus joins right atrium. Asterisk conus arteriosus arises from ventricle. blood, asterisk plasma, asterisk RBC, asterisk WBC, asterisk platelets. Important point. Asterisk frog RBCs are nucleated. Asterisk RBCs contain hemoglobin. Real life example asterisk. Circulatory system is like a delivery network. Blood delivers oxygen, nutrients, and water to body parts. Dash. Number 15. Excretory system of frog. The excretory system removes nitrogenous waste. It includes asterisk pair of kidneys, asterisk ureters, asterisk cloaca, asterisk urinary bladder. Important points. Asterisk kidneys are dark red and bean-shaped. Asterisk each kidney has uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Asterisk frog excretes urea. Asterisk so frog is ureatelic. Asterisk waste is carried by blood to kidneys. Asterisk kidney separates the waste and sends it out. In male frog, asterisk ureters act as urinogenital ducts. In female frog, asterisk ureters and oviducts open separately into cloaca. Real life example asterisk. Kidney is like a water filter. It separates waste from blood. Dash. Number 16. Nervous system and sense organs. Frog has a well-developed control and coordination system. It includes asterisk neural system, asterisk endocrine glands, nervous system, asterisk central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, asterisk peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerves, asterisk autonomic nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic, brain, asterisk forebrain, asterisk midbrain, asterisk hindbrain, forebrain, asterisk olfactory lobes, asterisk cerebral hemispheres, asterisk diencephalon, midbrain, asterisk optic lobes, hindbrain, asterisk cerebellum, asterisk medulla oblongata. Sense organs. Asterisk touch, sensory papillae. Asterisk taste, taste buds. Asterisk smell, nasal epithelium. Asterisk vision, eyes. Asterisk hearing, tympanum and internal ears. Important point. Asterisk frog has 10 pairs of cranial nerves. Asterisk ear helps in hearing and balance. Real life example asterisk. Nervous system is like a control room. It receives messages, processes them and gives commands. Dash. Number 17. Endocrine glands of frog. Hormones help in chemical coordination. Important endocrine glands. Asterisk pituitary. Asterisk thyroid. Asterisk parathyroid. Asterisk thymus. Asterisk pineal body. Asterisk pancreatic islets. Asterisk adrenals. Asterisk gonads. Real life example asterisk. Hormones are like chemical messages sent through the body. Dash. Number 18. Male reproductive system. Male reproductive organs. Asterisk pair of yellowish ovoid testes. Asterisk vasa efferentia. Asterisk urinogenital duct. Asterisk cloaca. Important points. Asterisk testes are attached to kidneys by mesorchium. Asterisk vasa efferentia are 10 to 12 in number. Asterisk they open into Bidder's canal. Asterisk sperms pass through urinogenital duct. Asterisk cloaca passes faces, urine, and sperms outside. Dash. Number 19. Female reproductive system. Female reproductive organs. Asterisk pair of ovaries. Asterisk oviducts. Asterisk cloaca. Important points. Asterisk ovaries are near kidneys. Asterisk ovaries have no functional connection with kidneys. Asterisk oviducts open separately into cloaca. Asterisk a mature female frog can lay 2,500 to 3,000 ova. Asterisk fertilization is external and occurs in water. Asterisk development includes tadpole larva. Asterisk tadpole undergoes metamorphosis to become adult frog. Real life example asterisk. Metamorphosis is like a complete body transformation. Tadpole looks like a small fish, but later becomes a frog with limbs. Dash. Number 20. Importance of frogs. Frogs are useful to humans because asterisk they eat insects. Asterisk they protect crops. Asterisk they maintain ecological balance. Asterisk they are important links in food chain and food web. Real life example asterisk. In a farm, frogs act like natural pest controllers. Dash. Number 21. Important English question and answer section. Hashtag Q1. What is a tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells with intercellular substances performing a specific function. Hashtag Q2. What is organ system? An organ system is formed when two or more organs work together to perform a common function. Hashtag Q3. What is division of labor? Division of labor means different cells, tissues, and organs perform different functions for survival of the body. Hashtag Q4. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of external form and visible features. Hashtag Q5. What is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of internal organs and internal structure. Hashtag Q6. Why is frog called an amphibian? Frog is called an amphibian because it can live both on land and in water. Hashtag Q7. What is the common Indian frog mentioned in CERT? The common Indian frog is Rana tigrana. Hashtag Q8. What are poikilotherms? Animals whose body temperature changes according to environmental temperature are called poikilotherms. Hashtag Q9. What is camouflage? Camouflage is the ability to change color or blend with surroundings to escape enemies. Hashtag Q10. What is estivation? Estivation is summer sleep during extreme heat. Hashtag Q11. What is hibernation? Hibernation is winter sleep during extreme cold. Hashtag Q12. Why is frog skin slippery? Frog skin is slippery because of mucus. Hashtag Q13. How does frog absorb water? Frog absorbs water through its skin. Hashtag Q14. What are the main body parts of frog? The body of frog is divided into head and trunk. Hashtag Q15. What protects frog eyes in water? Nictitating membrane protects frog eyes in water. Hashtag Q16. What is tympanum? Tympanum is the membranous ear structure that receives sound signals. Hashtag Q17. How many digits are present in frog forelimbs and hind limbs? Forelimbs have 4 digits and hind limbs have 5 digits. Hashtag Q18. What helps frog in swimming? Web digits help frog in swimming. Hashtag Q19. How can we identify male frog? Male frog has vocal sacs and copulatory pad on first digit of forelimb. Hashtag Q20. Why is frog intestine short? Frog intestine is short because frog is carnivorous. Hashtag Q21. What is chyme? Partially digested food in the stomach is called chyme. Hashtag Q22. What is the function of bile? Bile emulsifies fats. Hashtag Q23. What is the function of pancreatic juice? Pancreatic juice digests carbohydrates and proteins. Hashtag Q24. Where is digested food absorbed? Digested food is absorbed in the intestine through villi and microvilli. Hashtag Q25. What is cloaca? Cloaca is a common chamber through which feces, urine, and reproductive materials pass outside. Hashtag Q26. What is cutaneous respiration? Respiration through skin is called cutaneous respiration. Hashtag Q27. What is pulmonary respiration? Respiration through lungs is called pulmonary respiration. Hashtag Q28. How many chambers are present in frog heart? Frog heart has 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. Hashtag Q29. Are frog RBCs nucleated? Yes, frog RBCs are nucleated. Hashtag Q30. What is the excretory product of frog? Frog excretes urea. Hashtag Q31. Why is frog called ureatlic? Frog is ureatlic because it excretes urea. Hashtag Q32. What are nephrons? Nephrons or uriniferous tubules are structural and functional units of kidney. Hashtag Q33. How many cranial nerves arise from frog brain? 10 pairs of cranial nerves arise from frog brain. Hashtag Q34. What are the main parts of frog brain? Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Hashtag Q35. What are the sense organs of frog? Touch organs, taste buds, nasal epithelium, eyes and tympanum with internal ears. Hashtag Q36. What are male reproductive organs of frog? Pair of testes, vasa efferentia, urinogenital duct, and cloaca. Hashtag Q37. What are female reproductive organs of frog? Pair of ovaries, oviducts, and cloaca. Hashtag Q38. How many ova can a mature female frog lay? A mature female frog can lay 2,500 to 3,000 ova at a time. Hashtag Q39. Where does fertilization occur in frog? Fertilization is external and occurs in water. Hashtag Q40. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is the transformation of tadpole larva into adult frog. Dash. Number 22. AI Teacher Interactive Dialogue. AI Teacher *. Students, why do multicellular animals need tissues? Student *. Because one cell cannot do all functions in a large body. AI Teacher *. Correct. Different cells perform different functions. This is division of labor. AI Teacher *. Now tell me, why is frog called an amphibian? Student *. Because it lives both on land and in water. AI Teacher *. Excellent. Now one more question. Why is frog skin always moist? Student *. Because mucus keeps the skin moist, and moist skin helps in respiration. AI Teacher *. Very good. In water, frogs breathe through their skin. This is called cutaneous respiration. AI Teacher *. How many chambers are there in frog heart? Student *. 3 chambers, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. AI Teacher *. Super. And what is special about frog RBCs? Student *. They are nucleated. AI Teacher *. Correct. That is an important exam point. Dash.
ஒரு மழைக்கால மாலை ஒரு மாணவன் வயல்வெளியில் ஒரு தவளையை பார்த்தான். அவன் கேட்டான், சார், இந்த சிறிய தவளைக்குள் இத்தனை சிஸ்டம்ஸ் இருக்குமா?
AI biology teacher சிரித்தார்.
ஆம், ஒரு தவளை வெளியே சின்னதாக தெரியுமானால் அதன் உடலுக்குள் டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம், ரெஸ்பிரேட்டரி சிஸ்டம், சர்க்குலேட்டரி சிஸ்டம், எக்ஸ்கிரிட்டரி சிஸ்டம், நர்வஸ் சிஸ்டம், ரீப்ரொடக்டிவ் சிஸ்டம் எல்லாம் இருக்கிறது.
மாணவன் கேட்டான்,
முதலில் ஸ்ட்ரக்சுரல் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் என்றால் என்ன?
டீச்சர் சொன்னார்,
ஒரு வீடு கட்டும்போது கல், சிமெண்ட், சுவர், அறை, வீடு என்று அமைப்பு இருக்கும். அதுபோல உடலில் செல், டிஷ்யூ, ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டம் என்று அமைப்பு இருக்கும்.
செல் ஒன்று தனியாக எல்லா வேலைகளையும் செய்ய முடியாது. அதனால் பல செல் சேர்ந்து டிஷ்யூ ஆகும், டிஷ்யூ சேர்ந்து ஆர்கன் ஆகும், ஆர்கன் சேர்ந்து ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டம் ஆகும்.
பிறகு ஆசிரியர் தவளையை காட்டினார்.
இந்த ஃப்ராக் ஒரு ஆம்பிபியன். இது நிலத்திலும் வாழும், தண்ணீரிலும் வாழும்.
மாணவன் கேட்டான்.
அது எப்படி தண்ணீர் குடிக்கும்?
டீச்சர் சொன்னார்.
ஃப்ராக் டைரக்டாக தண்ணீர் குடிக்காது. அது தனது மாய்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கின் மூலம் தண்ணீரை அப்சார்ப் செய்கிறது.
மாணவன் ஆச்சரியப்பட்டான். அதனால்தான் ஸ்கின் எப்போதும் ஸ்லிப்பரியாக இருக்கிறதா?
ஆம், மூக்கு சிரிப்பதால் ஃப்ராக் ஸ்கின் ஸ்மூத் அண்ட் ஸ்லிப்பரி ஆக இருக்கும். அதே ஸ்கின் ரெஸ்பிரேஷனுக்கும் உதவும்.
பிறகு டீச்சர் டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம் பற்றி சொன்னார்.
ஃப்ராக் கார்னிவோர், அதனால் இன்டெஸ்டைன் ஷார்ட் ஆக இருக்கும். அது டிலோபெட் டங் மூலம் ஃபுட் பிடிக்கும். ஃபுட் மவுத், புக்கல் கேவிட்டி, ஒய்சாஃபகஸ், ஸ்டமக், இன்டெஸ்டைன், ரெக்டம், க்ளோஆக்கா வழியாக செல்கிறது.
மாணவன் சொன்னான்.
அப்படி என்றால் க்ளோஆக்கா ஒரு காமன் எக்ஸிட் மாதிரியா?
சரியாக சொன்னாய். க்ளோஆக்கா மூலம் ஃபேஸஸ், யூரின்ஸ், ஸ்பெர்ம்ஸ் அல்லது எக்ஸ் வெளியில் செல்கின்றன.
பிறகு டீச்சர் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் பற்றி சொன்னார்.
ஃப்ராக் வாட்டர் இருக்கும் போது
ஸ்கின் மூலம் பிரீத் பண்ணும், அதுதான்
கண்டேனியஸ் ரெஸ்பிரேஷன்.
லேண்டில் இருக்கும் போது லங்ஸ் மூலம் பிரீத் பண்ணும், அதுதான் புல்மோனரி ரெஸ்பிரேஷன்.
மாணவன் கேட்டான்.
அப்போ ஃப்ராக் ஹார்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும்?
டீச்சர் சொன்னார்.
ஃப்ராக் ஹார்ட் 3 chamber, 2 atria and 1 ventricle. அதன் RBCs nucleated.
பிறகு டீச்சர் கிட்னி பற்றி சொன்னார்.
ஃப்ராக் எக்ஸ்கிரீட்ஸ் உரியா, அதனால் ஃப்ராக் யூரிட்டைட் அனிமல் கிட்னி பிளட்ல இருந்து வேஸ்ட் செப்பரேட் பண்ணும்.
மாணவன் கேட்டான்.
ஃப்ராக் பேபி எப்படி உருவாகும்?
டீச்சர் சொன்னார். ஃப்ராக் நமக்கு பயனுள்ள உயிரினம். இது இன்செக்ட் சாப்பிட்டு கிராப்ஸ் ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணும். ஃபுட் செயின்ல இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் லிங்க் ஆக இருக்கும்.
மாணவன் சொன்னான்.
இப்போ எனக்கு ஃப்ராக் அனாட்டமி கிளியராக புரிந்து விட்டது. ஒரு சின்ன ஃப்ராக் உள்ளே பெரிய பயோலாஜிக்கல் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் இருக்கிறது. Dear students, if you like simple study videos, chapter explanations, question and answer practice, and easy revision notes, please subscribe to our channel, save this playlist, and continue learning step by step. Your support motivates us to create more useful study-related videos. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.